now. Give it a start. Silent high power exhaust. Sounds nice. 3-inch exhaust pipe all the way from the down pipe. Better check on that temperature. Got a delivery that came yesterday. It's something that I've been really waiting for. I waited 2 weeks for this. This is gonna go in my Supra. You've seen me put the HKS exhaust on it. Now there's another thing going on. Oh, I can't wait. I got it delivered by DHL. And it came from, that's to me there, and from Driftmotion. There we go, Driftmotion. So yeah, I'm really happy that they delivered this thing. Pay so much money online. You pay so much money online, you don't know if you can actually receive it. So I'm really happy that they did that. And it's not some kind of scam. Yeah, there we go. I'll just open it up. The packaging is really strong. They've got tape on the outside. They've got tape on the inside. It's, oh wow. They stuck it double-sided. Stuck it on the inside as well there. Really nice packaging. Thanks Driftmotion for that. I guess this bit here ensures a tighter seal on the inside, and also lets you know that if it's been opened, if it's been tampered with. Yeah, that's the only reason I can think of why they would stick it double-sided. This thing's gonna make my car turn into a little bit more of a beast. Oh boy. Damn, there's too much stuff. Okay, let's get rid of that stuff. Put it on the floor. Now I've got to clean all this stuff up. That's what was inside that box. A smaller box inside. There we go. And look at that. Brian Crower. Huh, Brian Crower. BC. Let's see what BC's got. Oh, another wrapping. Another tape. Yeah, look at. They're gonna wear out my fingers. Go, here we go. Done. Let's see. You've got some paperwork as well. You can probably already guess what this is. Look at that. Ooh. This is, by the way, this is for my set for the 7M engine, Toyota Supra. It's another upgrade I'm making for this vehicle. Look at this. Let's see. I've never bought this stuff before, so first time for me to see what it's gonna look like. Brand new. Oh man. Oh damn, more wrapping. I don't want to take out all the plastics now. I won't remove all the plastics because once you open these things, moisture will get in and you'll start to rust. Any moisture that gets onto these parts for a long period of time, they will rust. So I won't remove this plastic until it's actually ready to go on the engine itself. I'll just take it out. These are my new camshafts. These are gonna go on the 7M. This is a stage 2 camshaft. Apparently you can put these on without needing to change your shims and buckets. You just have to install these, basically almost plug and play. But you still have to check your valve clearances, your valve clearances on your lifters to make sure that this thing is sitting, there's enough clearance for this to operate efficiently and not damage anything. So the engine builder is gonna actually, he's gonna do all this for me. I'm just gonna deliver these parts. There's two of them, the twin cam. The other one is in the other box. I won't open that one. But yeah, look at the packaging, man. I like the packaging. Good job. It's just perfectly packaged. It's nice. You know, it's been protected. So stage 2 camshaft. We'll see how it sounds. These camshafts, the stage 2 from Driftmotion. That's where I ordered them through. They're supposed to make the engine sound a little bit more lumpy and a little bit more powerful as well, but it's not the race spec. The race spec is a little bit more heavy and more aggressive than this one. I didn't want to go that far because then you have to start modifying the cam, all the lifters have to be changed and, you know, spaced out differently. Clearances have to, yeah, so it's a lot more work to put the stage 2, no, so the stage 3. So I didn't want to do that. This is much easier. I don't want to go crazy. I want it to be street driven, street drivable and comfortable. It's a sporty luxury car anyway, so we'll see how it goes. So this is the Brian Crower's specs for the camshafts. Nicely notated and nice diagram there showing you how what the cut is on these camshafts, and the specs for the builders so that they know what they're putting in, what bucket diameter size. You know, the duration, the lift, all that stuff is in there. So I'm gonna pack this with the box. So when I send this package to the engine builder, hopefully we'll take note of this as well and make sure it's correct and set up correctly so it runs nice in my car and doesn't destroy anything. So that's, there we go, stage 2. Stage 2. I hope it makes a difference. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Look at that. That's all the oil. There's oil inside there. This filter's all covered in oil. It's dirty. Where's the good portion there? Look at that. I just wipe it off and it just comes right off. I found oil dripping under the car. Excessive blow-by gases. So we'll see what's caused it. I hope it. Number two's definitely got a big issue. I just don't know what that is yet. I have to interpret that. Write to me if you know what that could be. Number 6 over here is the cleanest, and then they get a little bit more messy, dirty as it gets to the front. So the problem would be somewhere in between 1 and 2. Nothing's wrong with these ones. It's gonna be here. Boy, oh boy, it's gonna be difficult. I think it's on this side. Right there. See right here, this edge, that curve is clean until around here it starts to get really rough, and that's where the damage is. Unfortunately, it's on the very opposite side of the engine. Right there. Good, we captured it. Right there, the piston is actually melted right in that corner. Right in that spot there, where the valve cutout is there. I don't know which valve that would be, but that's a good idea to just investigate on which valve that is. Whether it's the intake valve or the exhaust valve, it might give us some more clues on what's going on here. See right here, it's clean. This side, the valve cutout on the other side as well. That side is clean. Just around here, just around there, I'm very curious to find out what that valve is now. The cylinder wall is a bit difficult to see. I can't really get a good shot of it, and it looks to me like it's okay. So I would say that the compression ring is probably blown, slowly leaking there through the edge, and the piston's also melted away because the ring has blown out a little bit. Alright, good. At least we see something. Slowly pull that scope out. There we go. I see the damage. The engine still spins around. It still rotates. It's not damaged as in, seized or anything. So I'll just switch it off, make sure it doesn't run flat. There's a little light on top there that shows you whether it's on and off. Let's see if I can switch it off. That's it, it's off.